How to check talk time on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs here. Go to the contact you want to check the talk time of. On the screen, tap on the Info button located beside the contact's number. Tapping this icon will take you to a detailed screen of some information, and some options are given. Here, you will see a complete list of all the incoming and outgoing calls with its exact duration below. For your phone's cumulative talk time, go back to your home screen and open up the Settings app. From the main Settings menu, find and tap on the Cellular option as shown. On this Cellular page, scroll all the way down past your app data usage to find the official call time statistics for your device. Here, you can find the current period talk time as well as the total lifetime talk time of the phone. Following these steps, you can easily check talk time on an iPhone.